everyone, it's Miss Daisy. Welcome back to my kitchen. This week's going to be strawberry week, so we're going to be making 3 recipes that include strawberries. Our first recipe that we're going to be making today is homemade strawberry lemonade. Before we get started, make sure that you have everything that you need. You're going to need 1 large pitcher. This is what I'm going to be using. You're going to need 4 cups of strawberries, preferably chopped. You're going to need 7 to 8 lemons. And I'm going to be using a lemon squeezer. It's very helpful. You're going to need a cup and a quarter of honey or agave nectar. And when I said 7 to 8 lemons, that makes 1.5 cups of lemon juice. I recommend a ladle. And you're going to need a blender to blend everything together. So before we start making the homemade strawberry lemonade, we're going to need to wash your hands for 20 seconds. And if you have long hair like I do, make sure to tie it back. Let's go wash your hands. Okay, my hands are all clean now. The first thing I'm going to add is the 4 cups of fresh chopped strawberries into the blender. And remember, when using a knife, make sure an adult's there with you or does it for you. Okay, so we have our 4 cups of strawberries in the blender. The next thing I'm going to add is the 1 cup and a quarter of honey. Or it says you can use agave nectar. Next thing I'm going to add is a 1.5 cups of lemon juice. Still have a little bit left until I reach a 1.5 cups. Here's my lemon. I actually used 8 lemons and it made exactly a 1.5 cups. So I'm going to add that to my blender. Okay. So I'm going to blend this all together. Okay, so 3 minutes have passed. I'm going to add this into my pitcher. The recipe says that it's optional to use a cheesecloth if you want to strain this. But I like my strawberry lemonade a little chunky, so I'm not going to be doing that. So the last ingredient I'm going to be adding is water. The recipe says to add 6 cups of water, so let's do that right now. So that's 6 cups. So with a measuring cup, it reaches up to 2 cups, so we would need to do this 3 times, right, to make 6, 2, 4, 6. So the last thing I'm going to do is just mix it. I think for my taste, I would add less honey and more water. So I'm going to be doing that. You don't have to, but besides that, you can just put it in the fridge and then just cool it and then serve it right after. But what I'm going to do is a couple of steps, which is add a little bit more water. So cups. I actually added more to it, which made it to be 10 cups of water. That's perfect for me. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my fridge, and this is best when it's chilled and cooled in the fridge and then served. So we'll put that in there. Once my strawberry lemonade is cooled for about 30 minutes, I'll immediately serve it and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe, and the next recipe that we're going to be making are peanut butter, strawberry, and banana quesadillas. Take care. Bye.